So Pathauto won't do anything by default, we have to configure it. We can get to the settings by going to Configuration, Search and Metadata, and URL aliases. What we want to do is add a pattern, and let's begin by adding a pattern for the basic page content type. I'll click Add Pathauto Pattern. We'll select Content, and then for the path pattern, let's use the token browser. We use this in Display Suite, and let's set the path to the title. So what Pathauto will do is take any tokens that we input into this pattern, and it will convert it to a slug. This just means it will remove any characters that don't belong in a URL, and it will lowercase all of the letters. By default, Pathauto will also remove common words like a, the, of, and so on. So let's grab the title. Here under nodes, we'll expand it, and let's scroll down to the T's, title. We'll make sure that our cursor is in this input, and then we'll click Node Title. And let's apply this just to basic pages. For the label, we'll call it Basic Page, and we'll click Save. So now if we create a new page, I'm going to add a new basic page piece of content. We'll call this Delete Me, and I'll enter a few characters in the body and click Save and Publish. Now if we look at the URL, it says Delete Me. It's all lowercase and it has dashes to separate the words. Cool. Let's delete this content.